Hi friends, after looking at the basics of what reinforcement learning is, how we learn cycling, how we learn swimming, and so on, we just get into formal definition of what reinforcement learning is. Let's get back where we were in our last session. So here we were working on how to ride a bicycle, and then we have seen that riding a bicycle is not a activity that can be learned by reading how to or by looking at how others do. It has to be personally experienced and learned. So let's continue and see exactly what it means when we want this activity to be used by our machine. So that's what we call reinforcement learning, where we have an environment. The environment may be bicycle, the surroundings, the road, the people around us, and all that. And we have an agent, that is the one who is trying to learn how to ride a bicycle. And first, agent will explore what is there around himself or herself. Let's explore the environment and gets the input and then exploit the environment. So with the exploitation, the state of the environment will change, and because of this, there will be a positive or a negative reward produced, and that is fed back to the agent, and this process continues. So the agent now understands that from the previous action, that is exploited, from the previous action, something changed in the environment. That change in the environment created some reward, and that reward is positive or negative. So first it will explore the environment, the agent will explore the environment, and the will get a new inputs and then exploit the environment. When the agent exploits the environment, it changes its state, and once the state is changed, a proper reward is produced, which is fed back. And this closed loop system will make the agent to know what type of actions produced positive rewards and what type of actions produced negative rewards, and the agent will continue to exploit the environment such that it gets more and more positive rewards, and it tries to avoid the actions such that it exploits the environment lesser and lesser, for which we get a negative reward. So that's the reinforcement learning. So if I just try to connect these two, what we are doing at a cycling, then first the agent sits on the seat, holds the handle, and that's what happens with the exploration, then gives an input, so that input will uh, either provide pedaling or provide what we call the change in the angle of the handle, and this makes the overall environment to change its state, so that exploits. So whatever actions are taken by the agent will exploit the environment, and that will make the environment to change its state. So the vehicle, the bicycle is no more at the place it was earlier. It has changed its place. The position of the pedal is no more the same. The position of the handle is no more the same, or the balance is no more the same. So something has changed. So that change in something is called state. So we do have various states, and when we exploit the environment by the agent, the state of the environment changes, and because of this, the cycle may continue to move further for a longer distance, or may fall down immediately. So whatever happens, so if it continues to move further, then we get a positive reward. And if the rider loses the balance and falls down, then we say it's a negative reward. Whatever it is, it goes back to the agent and says that yes, whatever actions were taken have created a positive or negative rewards, and the agent is encouraged to take the actions that produce positive rewards, and the agent is discouraged to take the actions that produce negative rewards. So that's all about how we can make a machine behave like a human, understand how to learn on its own through reinforcement learning. So more details to follow. So keep watching. Thank you.